Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I have about 33 years of clinical practice, and I have a co-instructor today who's going to help us with breathing exercises.
Hi, I'm Larry. I love my best friend David.
This is so fun. Today we're going to work on the tumble dryer breathing exercise. I love this one. On this one, you start off with your pointer fingers pointing toward each other, close to each other, right in front of your face. You're going to breathe in through your nose, and when you breathe out through your mouth, you're going to make the dryer go in circles. I'm going to do 3 of them, then my co-instructor is going to do 3 of them too. So here we go. You ready? Breathe in through your nose. Breathe in through your nose. I love the way it sounds. I'm going to do one more. And now for my co-instructor. One, 2, 3, 4. Hey, I love this way of doing these exercises. I use these exercises when a child is way too wound up and needs to calm down before we do some working. I hope you like this way of working on breathing exercises, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.